everyone, and welcome to this module on sterilization and sanitization in hair coloring. In today's session, we will learn how to carry out the procedure of sterilization and sanitization. By the end of this session, you will learn all about sterilization and sanitation in hair coloring. It is important to gather the necessary components and tools for carrying out the procedure of sterilization and sanitation. For this, the required components and tools are one timer, one mixing bowl, either glass or plastic, one measuring spoon, one measuring scale, one spray bottle with water, one tint brush, one pintail comb, and setting clips as required. The material required will be one neck cap, one neck strip, one towel, a pair of protective gloves, sterilizing solution as required, and an antibacterial disinfectant as required. Ensure all containers used for hair color products or chemicals are properly labeled and covered when not in use. This prevents any accidental spills or contamination. Hand hygiene. Before and after each hair coloring treatment, it is crucial to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Alternatively, you can use antibacterial disinfectant spray on your hands to maintain hygiene. Sterilization and sanitation procedure for implements and tools. Wash in hot soapy water. After using hair coloring implements like brushes, combs, clips, etc., wash them in hot soapy water. Use a mild detergent or soap to remove any color residue or product buildup. Rinse. Rinse the implements thoroughly under running water to remove the soap or detergent. Immerse in sterilizing solution or alcohol. After rinsing, immerse the implements in a sterilizing solution. Isopropyl alcohol, also known as rubbing alcohol, is commonly used as a sterilizing agent in salon settings. This alcohol helps kill bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens, ensuring that the implements are sanitized. Air dry or wipe dry. Allow the implements to air dry completely, or you can use a clean, lint-free cloth to wipe them dry before using them again. Additional tips: use disposable gloves if possible to minimize cross-contamination. Regularly clean and sanitize work surfaces such as countertops and styling chairs to maintain a hygienic environment. Launder towels and capes after each use to prevent the spread of any potential contaminants. Spray implements with antibacterial disinfectant prior to using on a client. Before using any hair coloring implements such as brushes, combs or clips, it is essential to spray them with an antibacterial disinfectant. This step helps eliminate any potential bacteria, virus or pathogens that may be present on the tools, ensuring a hygienic application on the client's hair. Keep all instruments in alcohol during treatment. During the hair coloring treatment, it is advisable to keep all the instruments, especially those that come into direct contact with the client's hair or skin, in a sterilizing solution such as alcohol. This continuous immersion helps maintain the implement's sanitization throughout the treatment, preventing any contamination. Keep all products in good, clean condition. Ensure that all hair products and containers are in good and clean condition. Check for any leakage or spillage on the product containers to prevent any accidental contamination during the application. Apply antiseptic immediately if the skin is cut. Accidents can happen, and if there is any accidental cut or injury to the client's skin during the hair coloring process, it is essential to apply antiseptic immediately. This helps prevent infections and ensures the safety and well-being of the client. Avoid pushing the cuticle back too far. When applying hair color, especially during root touch-ups or highlights, avoid pushing the cuticle back too far. Gentle application ensures minimum damage to the hair and reduces the risk of irritation or inflammation on the scalp. Always wear clean uniforms. It is crucial for salon professionals to wear clean uniforms during their coloring treatments. Regularly launder the uniforms to maintain hygiene and a professional appearance. Following proper sterilization and sanitization procedures is essential to create a safe and clean salon environment. These practices protect clients' health and ensure the well-being of the salon staff. Adhering to these guidelines demonstrates a professional and responsible approach to hair coloring treatments. In this session, we have seen how to sterilize and sanitize the equipment and the environment. Thank you for your attention and participation in this session. Let us meet again in the next session.